Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Bome or Book of Meme. I doubted whether I should make a new video and an update on Bome, but a lot of you are still interested in it. I know a lot of you are still stuck in positions or are wanting to trade it. Volume is dropping down rapidly. It's now under $1 billion, but that's still almost $1 billion in the last 24 hours, right? So a ton of volume. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts. And apart from that, I've always said that there's definitely a chance of some sort of a rally if we get some confirmation. And now that Bitcoin is, I would say, relatively bullish, I wouldn't call it parabolically bullish yet. But now that Bitcoin is relatively bullish, I think that the chances of some sort of a Bome rally are also higher. And I promise you, I'm not saying this just to hype you up or just to make you feel happy. All right, I genuinely do think that there's a chance that we will go up. The thing is that the market structure at this point of time is not bullish. All right, and we have to be honest about that. If we just look at the technicals. We have this major support right here, right, around 0.9 and around 1 cent, and especially also right here around 1.1 cents. That has been holding us up quite well. But then we are still making lower highs. So this is bearish. There's a breakout opportunity in these market circumstances, knowing what Bome has done in the past. But as long as there's no bullish breakout, there's nothing. All right. So that's what you should remember. But now let's look at some more numbers. I think that's best to do. So if you look at Bome right now in terms of the look, this is interesting. This is just very interesting. That's why I'm telling you. I'm not saying this to hype you up. But the open interest right here is really increasing. All right, so that's increasing. This is a divergence. All right, the price is still ranging while the open interest is increasing. We can check out if we can see some sort of a pattern of where the open interest is going. Yeah, most of this open interest here and down here as well, it's all long volume, so it's people buying. So that could be retail that's about to be liquidated. Could also be whales, all right, that know that it's going to pump. But that actually gives me more confidence that some sort of I might even call this video an emergency update. No, but for real, I mean, usually when you see in these market circumstances, I mean, I do want to tell you that if Bitcoin drops down here drastically, then the situation is completely different. However, if Bitcoin stays ranging in this level, then I do think that we have a very, very solid chance to actually get a bullish breakout here and rally back up to 1.5 and potentially 1.7 cents. Now, do I expect much higher than that? At this moment, no. It could be that we go much higher, but then I'll just do a new update, because it's always difficult to predict moves like that. And to be completely fair, a move up to 1.5 is already a 27% move from the current levels. Up to 1.75 is almost a 50% move. So that's already a lot. But the main thing to watch, in my eyes, in terms of a resistance level, is this level right here at 1.3 and 1.25 cents. I think that's the main level to break. You could argue we need to break a bit higher, but given the fact that we are already accumulating quite a lot of momentum, I think it's most likely that if Bome is able to get a bullish breakout above that level, that then we will actually rally up higher. 1.5 is my first price target, and then depending on what we do at 1.5, like if we hit 1.5 and we lose a lot of momentum, that's probably the end. But if we hit 1.5 and we lose some momentum, but we quickly retake that, then 1.75 is also possible. So yeah, keep an eye on that. Like I said, the current structure is still bearish, so you should expect that to continue. However, there are quite a lot of indications that you should keep an eye and should set a price target on a potential breakout. So keep your eyes on that, but that's what you need to know for now. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments as well. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.